In this video, I'll be showing you exactly how to deposit Solana in your Photon wallet, specifically from Phantom wallet, but you can also send from somewhere else. First, you'll need to get your Photon Solana wallet. Now, when creating your account, you can just copy it right here. If you've already created an account, I'll show you where you can find it in a second, but just go and get your wallet address, then open up Phantom, and within Phantom, click Send, then select Solana, paste in the wallet address that you just copied, and choose how much you want to send, and then click Next, and then click Send, and now it's sending the Solana. From there, just wait for it to finish, and then click Check Balance, and now you can see you have the Solana. You can then click Start Trading. Now, if you are already right here and now you want to deposit Solana, which is also quite common, then you want to go in the top right to your wallet, and then here click on the copy icon, which is your Solana wallet address. So then you can just use that address to send the money. So now you know how to deposit Solana on Photon. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.